Barcelona is an amazing city, and Abbey Road lets Barcelona bring the group together. This is a first-rate city in so many areas, in sports, in culinary arts, in design, in history. All of it is here, and the students follow their passion when the staff helping them do that. So when the students get to do what they want, they're happier and they're more themselves. And that makes for a group that really clicks, and it's based on authenticity. The students are connecting with each other over what they really and truly enjoy. And that's the magic of being with Abbey Road here in Barcelona for a summer that is unforgettable.
Now here at Abbey Road, we believe in immersing students in the language, and that's what they can expect when they come here. Here in Cadiz, we have a wonderful teaching staff that take them through the ins and outs of Spanish grammar in the morning before they get to go out into the real world, into Cadiz, and use their Spanish in practical situations. Our Cadiz program is unique in that they live with host families rather than with each other, which means that they're always using their Spanish and they have to live in the language. That's the way that they're going to learn the fastest. We also lay on an enormous range of activities, from stuff that's really fun to surfing and kayaking to more culturally interesting things as well, such as visiting museums, art galleries, and some of the local landmarks as well. It's really a wonderful course. Students get so much out of it, both in terms of the culture and the history, as well as the language too.
What we basically do with the students is that we bring them into everyday situations where they need to use Spanish all day long. We divide the classes into different sections. The first section regarding grammar points, and the second section conversation and panel discussions. Afterwards, we usually have an hour and a half of outdoor activities where they interact with the locals. Of course, they learned more typical phrases, they learned about gastronomy, and they learned about how the locals' life is. Students then bring their findings and we talk about what was the most interesting findings for them. Our main concern is for them to practice Spanish as much as possible.
Hi, my name is Livy. Barcelona has been such an amazing city. We've really gotten to know our way around. All of our classes have been incredible. In Spanish class, we've been going to a lot of markets and museums, and we really have gotten a taste of what it's like to live in Spain.
Las clases aquí me ha mejorado mi español muchísimo. Cuando llegaba solo podía decir hola, buenos días, me llamo Michael, ¿cómo se dice? Pero después de 2 semanas de hablar con la gente, las clases, mi español ha mejorado muchísimo. Hablo así, puedo comunicar con la gente mucho mejor que cuando llegaba.
Hola. Hola. Me llamo Maya. Y me llamo Camila. Y estamos en Cadiz, España. Sí, obviamente. Pero también estamos viviendo con una familia que ofrecen muchas cosas. Comida, una cama cómoda. Y también con ellos nosotros sentimos muy cómodas. Es como todo el tiempo bailamos con los padres. Y también vemos las telenovelas. Es muy divertido para nosotros, pero también para ellos porque estamos tratando una cosa nueva y a veces tenemos un poco miedo y los padres apoyan a nosotros mucho. Sí. Nosotros nos encantamos a Cadiz mucho. Sí.